Good morning. Today we will be discussing modifiers. Modifiers are configurations that are applied to a main dish to customize its sides or additional options. To configure modifiers, first log into Back Office and go to the Items section. Within this section, select the Modifiers button. The Modifiers category tab will open by default. As we can see on the screen, there are already some categories of modifiers configured, such as meat, sauces, and burrito extras. Now we will create a new one, which we will call beverages. In the quantity field, we configure the number of modifiers that can be selected in that category. If the value is left at 0, unlimited selection will be allowed. In this case, we will configure it so that selecting a modifier is mandatory, assigning a specific amount. Then, using the Add Item button, we search for and add the drinks we want to include. Coca-Cola,
Sprite,
Red Bull, and coffee. Finally, we save the changes by clicking Save. Now we go to the Modifiers Group tab, where we will create a new group of modifiers. These groups allow us to group different categories of modifiers. We click on the New button and assign a name to the group, in this case, Combo. Then, in the Modifiers category option, we select the categories we want to link and press Add. For this example, we add meat, sauces, and beverages. On the screen, we can see each category added along with its corresponding options. We finish by saving the configuration with the Save button. On this screen, we can also associate items, departments, and subdepartments with the group. It is important to note that in order to use modifiers, the item department must have the suffix KIT or mod in the code column. This is because, in the Item section, the Modifier Group tab will only be visible if these conditions are met. As we can see, if we change the department to a different one, the Modifiers tab will automatically disappear. Once this has been validated, we re-enter the Modifier Group tab, select the group of modifiers we have just created, and save the changes. At this point, we have already configured our dish, identified with item code 608. Now we return to the POS by pressing the Back to Evolve button, and then we enter Point of Sales to access the EvolvePOS system. We call up the dish by entering the item code. A screen will automatically open showing each of the categories configured in the modifier group. In this case, we will see the types of meats and the types of sauces. Remember that the sauces have the quantity set to 0, which allows us to select all the options we want. Press the Next button to continue. This button only appears when the quantity is set to 0. When the value is 1, the system will automatically advance to the next category. Finally, we will be able to see the product loaded in the order along with all the selected modifiers.